everyone. We are the students of BS Ed Science 3B, and we are here for the task which is the tree planting, and we decided to plant the avocado tree. But first of all, what is the purposes of tree planting? First one, it improves the air quality. So since trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping to improve air quality and reduce pollution. It also promotes the biodiversity. Trees provide habitat for animals and plants, promoting the biodiversity. And lastly, it mitigates the climate change, since trees absorb heat and prevent global warming. And overall, tree planting is very important for the environmental conservation and sustainability.
So good morning everyone. So I am Kyla Yalin and I will now show you the step on how to plant trees. So the first one is we need to clean the land.
Planting trees is a simple act that creates a big impact for our planet. Each tree you plant helps clean the air, cool the environment, and provide homes for the wildlife. Imagine a world where every person plants just one tree. Our future will be greener and healthier. A small effort today grows into a lasting legacy for generations to come. So grab a sapling, get your hands in the soil, and be a hero for the nature.
So good morning everyone. So I am Kyla Ayalin from the ESED Science 3B and we are tasked to do a clean up drive. So right now this is the situation of the place that we are planning to clean. So, before we proceed on cleaning this environment or this trash, what is the importance of clean up drives and environmental and health issue? So, clean up drives play a vital role in addressing environmental and health issue. By removing trash and waste, this initiative reduces pollution, prevent disease spread, and improve air quality. So, when a community participates and in proper waste disposal, it is a key way to make a successful cleanup effort. So when we regularly clean up events also promote community engagement and protect water resources. So overall, cleanup drives contribute to a healthier environment and improve public health.
Maintaining cleanliness is more than just tidying our surroundings. It reflects our respect for ourselves and our community. A clean environment promotes health, peace of mind, and productivity. When we take responsibility for our spaces, we also nurture discipline and care for others. Small daily actions, like properly disposing of waste and keeping our surroundings neat, create a big positive impact over time. Cleanliness is not just a habit, it is a way of showing love for our environment and for life itself.
Good day, everyone. I am standing here not just to speak, but to choose. A choice that affects our lives, our future, and our planet. We choose the environment because it is our life. It gives us the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. Without a healthy environment, there is no healthy future. Every tree we cut, every plastic that is thrown, and every river that is polluted is a way step closer to a disaster. We choose the environment because protecting it means protecting ourselves and the next generation. Caring for nature is not a choice anymore. It is our responsibility.